Hello, it's Philip Taylor from Richmond Green Chambers speaking, and I'm looking at a book from Richard Christou. It's his fourth edition now of this book, Drafting Commercial Agreements from Sweet and Maxwell. It's in the commercial series. We've done a review on Flickr, and my wife and I have written a review for the internet, and we've called it this: Commercial Lawyers, here's everything you need to guide you through the complexities of commercial agreements. This is the book itself. It's got a CD at the back, lots of precedents in it. There's a useful little index just at the back with licensing agreements and various other things. But what you have got is a very detailed series of chapters which give you all the particular piece of information you need. It doesn't have paragraph numbers at the sides because that's not actually the style that Mr. Christou uses. I've met Mr. Christou. He's an excellently able man, and he knows exactly what he's trying to put forward because of the background he comes from and the experiences that he has, and he's written other publications, of course, for Sweet and Maxwell. What we're saying now about this book is this: when your day-to-day workload involves the drafting and negotiation of legal documents governing the business relationships of your clients, this particular publication is excellent, Drafting Commercial Agreements, for the practical guiding and mentorship, if you like, or mentoring, to go with his other work on sale and supply of goods and services. It retains the same scope and purpose of the previous editions that Christou has produced. Obviously 5 years have elapsed, and during that time one needs to have essential precedents really in one volume, and this latest volume in fact does exactly that. It's accompanied by the necessary legal commentary which one would expect in the 18 chapters, and it covers virtually every commercial and business relationship. Now, since the last edition in 2004, it's been completely updated to include the latest developments in statute law and case law, and it's got a whole range of things which are obviously covered if you're looking for them. It's scholarly, reliable and logically structured, as certainly I would expect from Richard. He's had a lot of help here from Richard Christou. They're both experts, and what they've tried to do is cover extensively and intensively 4 basic areas: the supply of goods and services, agency and distribution, mergers and acquisitions, and other commercial agreements. And as I've said, it's an excellent book, and it's not particularly big in the sense of about 750 pages, something like that. It's got all the recent legislation in it, and obviously do note that when you if you need to come to grips with the quaintly titled Unfair Contract Terms Act, a highly experienced solicitor that he is, Richard Christou, provides a definitive explanation and analysis of the Act. Basically give you some assistance. So say it's definitive work. The CD, I think, will be of help to you, and obviously do bear in mind that it's not actually as heavy as it looks, but it is a proper reference work. The law is at September 2009 for this edition, and it remains in our view an excellent guide through the complexities of drafting your commercial agreements as used and accepted in modern practice today. So thank you very much to Richard Christou and to Sweet and Maxwell. Thank you. Bye-bye.